Hey mates, what's up? Take a look what I've got here. This tiny airbrush compressor may look simple, but looks can be deceiving. Today we're going to test it and see how it performs. This version comes as a compressor and airbrush bundle. But the compressor is also available separately, so you can decide whether you need the airbrush or not. If you are interested in the specifications or pricing, I've included links to both versions in the description below. As for the airbrush, this is the Gaahleri GHAD-39. It's not a premium brush, but that's perfectly fine for a beginner. It has 0.35mm nozzle, a solid first airbrush. The air hose is also included in the set. And banana for the scale. Now let's do it properly. The display can show either PSI or bar, and I've set it to bar. Now I'm going to check the airflow at minimum, medium and maximum pressure. At the lowest setting, we're getting roughly 0.4 bar. The middle setting gives us about 0.7 bar. At the full power, the compressor reaches 0.9 bar. For the next test, I will spray 2 full sheets of paper and see how the compressor handles extended use, paying attention to pressure stability and heat buildup. After running at full pressure for some time, the compressor is only slightly warm to the touch. The next one is a simple noise test. Using a decibel meter app, we will measure the compressor at minimum, medium and maximum pressure. At the lowest setting, the noise level is around 70 decibels. The middle setting measures about 71 decibels. At maximum pressure, the noise level reaches about 75 decibels. For comparison, I ran the same test with my old compressor, a basic budget model with a tank that's been serving me for years. Despite its age, the old compressor was the quietest, at roughly 67 decibels. So, what's the verdict? Honestly, this little compressor surprised me. I was quite skeptical at first, mainly because it doesn't have a tank. But somehow, it just gets the job done. I probably wouldn't replace a full-size compressor with it, but for people whose entire hobby setup needs to fit into a drawer, it's a neat option. And if you'd like to learn more about it, you will find the links in the video description to both the standalone compressor and the bundle version I tested in this video. See you in the next episode. Cheers!